Hello everyone! Welcome again to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below and press notification bell all para updated po kayo sa lahat ng ating video. Ayan. This is our recipe for today. Ang ating tempura. Ayan. May eggplant. Ayan, lady's finger. And this is our sweet and sour pork recipe. Ayan, super yummy. With pineapple, bell pepper, and cucumber with onion. Ayan ang ating sweet and sour pork. And this is the third recipe, long beans with minced pork and black fungus. Ayan. Yummy with oyster sauce. Yung simpleng recipe, guys. Ayan. And last but not least is our pork bouillon and onion. With ABC sauce. And that's it again, guys, our simple recipe for today. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you again.